Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 2 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I am going to solve problem number 344, reverse string. Okay, so in this problem we have to write a function that reverses a string and the input string is given as an array of characters S. And you must do this by modifying the input array in place with one extra memory. Okay, so now let's understand this with examples. Okay, so this is my example one. Okay, so first tell me what is the length of this input string. Okay, this characters array. Okay, so length of this characters array is nothing but 5, right, in case of example 1, and in case of example 2 it is nothing but 6, right? So this is my 0th index, right? This is my 1 index, this is my 2 index, this is my 3 index, and this is my 4 index. Okay, so what I am saying here, I have to run the loop, I have to run one I loop for less than 2. Okay, so why I am saying this, now let's see. So when my I is at 0th position, okay, so I am just going to swap this H with this O. Okay, so H is going to here, yes, and O is moving to this position. Okay, so H and O I have swapped. Then my I is going to run when my index is 1. Okay, so when my index is 1, then I am going to swap this E with this L. Yes, so now this L is moved to this index and this E is moved to this index, and in the end I am just returning the final output. That's it. Here why I am saying that my I is going to run for less than 3. Okay, this is 0th index, this is 1 index, this is 2 index, this is 3 index, this is 4th index, and this is 5th index, 5 index. Okay, right. So here when my I is at this index 0, so I am just going to swap this H with this one. Okay, so here I have swapped, right? Then I am going to swap this A with this A, so I have swapped. Then after that I am going to swap this N with N. Okay, and I have swapped everything. Now my string got reverse. That's it, right? So I am going to write the same code now. Okay, so for int I is equal to 0, I is less than s dot length divided by 2 I plus plus, and as let's create one temp variable, right? Char temp is equal to s of I am storing this index, and then after that I am going to update my si as the final character, right? The final character. So how I am going to write? So s dot length minus I minus 1. Okay, this is done. And then after that I am going to update this one with my temp. That's it. Now let's run the code and see. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. See, we are not using any extra space complexity, right? We are using just O1 extra memory, right? Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you.